So today we have a fire pit that was manufactured by somebody else that was not working because the inside components had been sitting outside so long. So even that the burner looks okay, everything underneath had rotted, including the mounting brackets. There's also a on-off ignition and a switch for changing the intensity and turning the fire on and off. Again, you can see some of the rust underneath it. The gas was not going through. So what we're going to do today is we're going to convert this with our basic CK Plus kit, where we are going to, instead of using a key valve, we're going to change it and put a needle valve, mini needle valve through the front of this and make it work and breathe 3 to 4 foot flames. Anyhow, here we go. So the easiest thing to do first would be to take out the one screw here to take their hose off, because we're going to change the regulator over. Then we're going to take the burner out. As you can tell from the bolts holding the burners on, they will have to probably be cut off. Now on the side, we're going to leave the ignition in place, and we're going to pull off and take out the intensity knob, which is hooked to a thermocoupler. We'll have to cut off the thermocoupler, and then I will be right back. Now I have taken my 12-foot hose and my 3-foot hose and attached them to my mini needle valve. And now the next thing to do for the mini needle valve is to take off the top, which I've already loosened, to unspin the valve the whole way, and then to pull the valve out. And then what we're going to do is, once we put the valve into the hole from behind, we're going to put a washer on the front of it and then re-thread the valve through. It goes something like this. You can see where the bolts are rotted, so sometimes it's easier to just see how easy that broke, because of, even though it looked new, that one might actually come off. Or it'll push right through. Which one we go to the other side? This whole top is rotted. Burner's faced inward. As you can see, the fire only comes inward using the burner that was provided. The reason we like to swap everything over. But you can tell with the EasyFirePits kit, even their old burner does better. So now we're going to go ahead and take their burner out. So all we did was disconnect that. We're going to hook up our mounting kit nice and easily. Get it good and tight. And then affix our burner to the front, if you'll come around to the front. Now after we've gone ahead and put the mounting kit, which now securely holds the bottom to the top, a couple times around with our tape thread, monster tape thread. It'll work. So using our 5 PSI regulator and swapping out the guts to our CK Plus kit and putting in a mini needle valve into the side of this older pit. Now you're able to see that normally a pit would do something like this, but with EasyFirePits 5 PSI regulator, how's that? That'll work for you. Fire marshal won't like it, but it definitely works. Thank you so much from EasyFirePits.com. Have a great day. (3001) pressure mix low pressure regulator hooked up to, again, a needle valve, mini needle valve. And pardon my tiny little match. So instead of doing a high pressure operation,
still very sufficient flames.
Oops. So that is doing just a low pressure grill regulator with one of our high flow POL valves hooked up to our CK kit, where we substituted a mini needle valve for a key valve to fix an old fire pit to do a conversion and get rid of the guts that didn't work anymore. Thank you so much from EasyFirePits.com. Have a great day.